Ready to be captivated by the ultimate equestrian property? It's not just a home, it's a lifestyle.
Nestled in a prime location in Cocoa, Florida, this property boasts a luxurious grotto hot tub with a built-in slide, making pool days a magical experience. But that's just the beginning.
Imagine waking up to the awe-inspiring 8-stall barn. With an additional 6-stall barn, a 3-stall barn, all coexisting with a state-of-the-art riding arena. As you explore further, you'll discover a 4+ detached garage, outbuildings, and a charming gazebo, all coming together to create a haven for horse lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. This property isn't just about beauty, it's about potential. The fully equipped illuminated riding and roping arena, complete with an automatic chute, return lane, and stripping chute, paves the way for countless income opportunities. Whether it's boarding, clinicals, or events, there's ample space to create a thriving equestrian business, all while providing horses and farm animals with a secure and nurturing environment.
Beyond the property's borders, the allure continues. It's strategically located near the 95, and it opens up the world of possibilities, granting easy access to various waterways. From the St. Johns River to the ocean and Banana River, adventure is merely a 15-minute drive away.
So whether you're a horse enthusiast looking to turn your passion into a business, or a family seeking an extraordinary home with endless recreational prospects, this equestrian property transcends the ordinary, offering a life of beauty, potential, and endless exploration.
Thank you for touring this incredible property with us today. If you want to take a closer look, give us a call, 321-302-8717.